As it starts to get colder here in Pittsburgh, one of the most common questions that we get at Mozart Management is, how do you adjust the radiators in your apartment? Most of our buildings are heated with radiators, and there are two different types, a single pipe and a double pipe radiator. Generally, they'll both have valves. However, it is important to get in contact with your property manager to know which type of radiator is in your unit before you adjust it. A single pipe radiator has two settings, on and off, and you can see me adjusting the valve fully open or fully closed. The single pipe radiator, it is key that you do not set the valve halfway, as it can cause noise or damage. Many people will balance which radiators are on and which are off in their apartment. The double pipe radiator, however, is much more versatile, and you can adjust the valve however many turns you prefer without causing issues. Thus, you can leave these radiators half open, unlike a single pipe radiator. With both types of radiators, it is important to not leave them off for a long period of time, as the inside can freeze and cause damage to the radiator itself. And there are a few radiators that cannot be adjusted. However, they're generally in bathrooms or not accessible. So, make sure that you contact your property manager to understand which radiators are in your unit, and thank you for watching.